Hi, so many people have asked me over the last few months, what is the difference between Tekton and an expert advisor? So an expert advisor or an EA is what is coded to plug into MetaTrader 4, the MetaTrader 4 charting platform, which is universally worldwide used for various brokers all over the world. And an EA is a plug-in auto trader for MetaTrader 4. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between Tekton and MetaTrader 4 EAs and how they are completed and compiled. So the first part of this video is how a EA is created using MetaTrader. Okay, so we're looking at YouTube. We're looking at YouTube videos, and I've just simply put into YouTube code and EMA cross using MT4. So as you can see, the length of these videos is 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes, and this is just the video to show you how to code it once you know how to write the code and how you write the language used. Okay, so the following clip shows you one of these videos.
In this video we want to talk about an exponential moving average that is creating buy or sell signals. The signals are based on the direction and if the moving average is above or below the candles. Whenever the candles are below the moving average, this would be a sell signal, and when the candles are above the moving average, this creates a buy signal. Now, how can we create an expert advisor in MQL4 that is able to output the buy and sell signals based on an exponential moving average? To do that, please click on the little button here or press F4 on your keyboard. And now you should see the Meta Editor window. And here you want to click on File, New, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this one Simple EMA for Exponential Moving Average. Click on Continue, Continue and Finish. And now you can delete everything that is above the onTick function. And let's remove the two command lines here. Okay, we start by creating a string variable for the signal. We call it signal and we don't assign a value because we are going to calculate it in the next step. And this is how it's done. We use the built-in IMA function that comes with MQL4. It needs to have a few parameters. The first one is the current symbol on the chart. In our case, the symbol is the British pound against the Australian dollar. The second parameter is the period that we have selected on our chart. We are using the 1 minute chart here. And these two variables, underscore symbol and underscore period, are able to find out what kind of currency pair you trade and which of the time frames you use. The next parameter is for 20 candles. So the value here is calculated based on the last 20 candles here. This parameter is a shift value. If you mark the IMA function and press F1, you will see that we have a shift value here that is called MA shift and another one here that is also called shift. Let's open a new chart window, click on
Okay, so you've seen a short snippet of a gentleman from Germany creating a moving average strategy using meta quotes language for MetaTrader 4. And if you know what you're doing, it can take, as you can see, 4 or 5 minutes just to even get the one strategy written. And then you've got to rely on testing it. So I'm going to show you how we can do exactly the same thing on Tekton by creating a new strategy. So away we go. Create new strategy, add algorithm. If price is greater than the moving average, 20 period, EMA, the action is to buy. and that's written the by condition. No messing around with if commands, etc., or putting in strings, etc. It's simple as that. Now I'm going to do the sell. So if price is less than moving average 20, EMA, the action will be to sell. Confirm. Choose the currency pair. He chose pound Australian dollar, so we'll do the same. We can choose any time frame. We don't have to write a string for that. We can just put any time frame we want. And for this example, 10 pips stop, 10 pips take profit. You can put anything you like in here. And that is how you create an algorithm using a drop-down menu in around about a minute, without any coding knowledge needed, without any time needed to code, all done using simple drop-down menus. So if anybody's asked me the question, or have you been thinking about what the difference between MetaTrader 4 EAs and Tekton is, I think you have your answer. Tekton is so simple to use. It's not needed to be coded. There is no need to spend money on coding or get an expert advisor coder to write something for you and wait an ages for it to be created. Tekton is simple to use. And now, if you wish to, you can backtest that, which would take probably about a minute or two as well. So that hopefully answers the question, what is the difference between MetaTrader 4 EAs and Tekton?